One of the most overlooked aspects of sim racing immersion is pedal positioning. And that's exactly what the MOZA Pedal Inversion Kit is designed to perfect. The Inversion Kit repositions your pedals into an authentic race car style layout. Instead of pressing down from above like a desk pedal, you're driving in a natural upright stance, the same way professional drivers operate. This change alone transforms the comfort and realism of your rig. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, the kit is rock solid and engineered for performance. Every bracket, every mount is designed to handle the forces of heavy braking and aggressive inputs without flexing or shifting. The advantage of inverted pedals is more than just feel. It's about control. You gain better leverage on the brake pedal, smoother throttle modulation, and a clutch that responds in a way that feels true to life. Trail braking becomes easier, heel and toe feels more natural, and long racing sessions are more comfortable thanks to the improved ergonomics. For sim racers chasing authenticity, the MOZA Pedal Inversion Kit isn't just an accessory. It's an essential upgrade. It closes the gap between simulation and reality, giving you the same pedal position and driving stance found in real race cars. Pure immersion, engineered for performance.